Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 6, Introduction of HTML. Introduction to HTML. With HTML you can create your own website. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is derived from the language HTML. HTML full form Standard Graphics Markup Language. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. The future of HTML is XML. XML full form Extended Markup Language. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. Means HTML is not used for a programming, only a markup language which are used to design any website. A markup language is set of markup text. HTML uses markup text to describe web pages. HTML is not a case sensitive language. Means not a case sensitive means you cannot write if you want to write a capital letter, then use all capital letter, and if you want to write HTML code in small letter, then use small letter, but do not use small and capital both. So HTML is not case sensitive language. HTML documents contain HTML tag and plain text. HTML document have contain HTML text, and use this HTML text to create a web page. So HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is derived from HTML, Standard Graphics Markup Language. It is not a case sensitive language, and HTML document use HTML tags. How to start HTML? Here simple start button, click all program, accessories and notepad. Means write HTML code in a notepad, save the file with .html or .htm extension. View the page in any web browser like Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator, etc. The purpose of a web browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox is to read HTML document and display them as a web pages. Here two extensions. When you are use notepad, then you can write username with .html extension. If you want to use word art, means MS Word, WordPad, then you can use .htm extension. Code with HTML. Start with HTML. Head, title, you write the title name, title close, head close, you pen body and write here the anything related to your information, and close body and close HTML. HTML tag always use HTML open and here the through the forward slash close HTML. This is simple code, and when you run on a browser you show like this a web page. So internet. Explain this tag. HTML tag. Describe HTML tag is a page that is to be viewed by web browser. Head, this defines the header section of the page. Title, this show the caption in the title bar of the page, means title of the page. Body, this tag show contents of the web page will be displayed. Means all web pages are of internet displayed through this HTML. Types of HTML tags. There are two different types of tags: container element and empty element. Means container tag or empty tag. Container tag contains start tag and end tag. This HTML open here and here HTML close. Means when you use a forward slash, this means a close. Empty element means empty tags contain start tag only, like BR. Means there are two types of HTML tag: container tag and empty tag. Container tag are those tags which are used contain start tag and end tag both. Example: body, HTML, head, title. These are the container tag. And empty tag are those tags which only start, not close, like BR tag. Here again understand the code with HTML. Each and every time when you are start write HTML code, then you are use first one start HTML tag, you write HTML tag, and after that head tag, and within the head tag you write title. Title you write the title of the page, title of you want, and after that you close title, then close head. These are the standard format of HTML code. You always follow these steps to write a HTML code. First one, open HTML, open head, open title, then write the title name, and after that you close the title, and after that close head, and after that you open body. Means when you are see different pages on internet, all these contents written within the body. Means this is the body. Here the title name, you want to give a title, then here show the blue strip, and all pages within the all page, everything right within body open and body close. In this container tag you write all things, and after that you close body, and finally you close HTML tag. Means in such a manner you open HTML tag, at same manner you close HTML tag. You have some important tags and types of HTML tag, and after that your homework, because this is the first part of your HTML, and after that a second part comes on next. Question number first, what is HTML? Question number second, what do you understand by tags? How many types of tags are there? Question number third, differentiate between container tag and empty tag. Question number 4, what is body tag? Hopefully you understand all these things given in this video. If you face any problem, call me. My number 8840156170. Thank you.